So here in Chongwon in Koh Samui, we are staying at the Meliá Hotel. So come with me, I'm going to take you on a little tour and tell you all about it. So this is the main reception, which is really big and spacious, loads of nice places to sit. It's also joined to the main restaurant. So if you're in one of the standard rooms, this is where you have your breakfast and a welcome drink. So I mentioned that there's standard rooms, there's also the level access. So I'm going to explain a bit more about that. But if you are in a standard room, this is where you come for breakfast. And I've got a top tip if you want a quiet little corner. Follow me. So just outside the restaurant in front, you've got this gorgeous garden and these little shaded areas where you can sit and have your morning coffee and an orange juice and a spot of breakfast. And all around the hotel, you'll find all these little quiet areas where you can sit and lounge in the shade or in the sun. There's a nice one here. Ooh, it's hot. So I'm going to take you on a little walk through the grounds, through the leafy bridges and the shaded parks. Very tranquil. So I mentioned the level access rooms. Now that's what we've had. You can see behind me the pool access that you have. So you can either enter the pool waterways from this side or you can come straight off your balcony, which is what we did. Which also takes you round to the pool bar. Take a little look at this. Oh, that's lower than I thought it was going to be. I think I'll have a chang. The level access bedrooms were really spacious, gorgeous bathrooms, had a big terrace which went straight into the pool with a double sunbed and even a bath. So it's a pretty good hotel for groups actually, because it's very family friendly. You've got kidsdom, which you can see over there, where all the kids can go and play. There's some play areas. There's also the slide. I couldn't quite get Mum to go down there. But it's nice to know that you've got the kids areas and you've also got adults only areas as well. It's actually really nice to walk through all of the shaded forest areas to get through to the beach. And when you get to the end of here, it's a little water path, river that you can walk through. Good to wash your sand off your feet. And either side of these, you can see the boat suites, which the hotel's very famous for. The whole hotel is actually based around a ship theme. So you can have a boat suite that's shaped as a boat. The level access restaurant is shaped as a boat. It reminds me of a smaller version of Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. So as you get to the end of the walkway, you see the opening for the main pool and the beach. Now the main pool can get quite busy, which is why we like the level access and we can have our own private area. So let's have a look. It's actually quite quiet at the pool this morning, which is really nice, but it's a little bit earlier. It's probably around 11:15. But you can see up here the level access restaurant. And if you fancy some activities, you've got table tennis, foosball, kayaking, paddle boarding. I didn't do any of those things. Behind me you can see the level access restaurant. So all the information you need. You can go there for your breakfast, which has got the buffet and a la carte options recommend the banana pancakes and the dim sum. And then from 12 o'clock, breakfast is from 7:30 till 11. And then from 12 o'clock, you can get soft drinks all day and some little snacks. 2 o'clock till 4 o'clock, you can get more afternoon tea and soft drinks. Yesterday we had some open crab sandwiches, which is very delicious. And then 5:30 till 7:30, it's happy hour. And you can get free alcoholic drinks, including beer, wine, prosecco, cocktails. And the cocktail of the day is different every day. So a lovely way to end the day before going to enjoy some of the restaurants nearby. This is the restaurant where you have breakfast and the afternoon tea and happy hour. This is amazing.
Yes, chili. No, chili, not spicy. Everything all fruit. Yes. No sale. only ourselves. Yes. Okay. Good.
Good.
Yes.
And of course, there's the beach. So there's lots of sun lounges down here. And the bay is gorgeous. Underfoot is pure sand. And it's lovely to have a morning stroll. And then here on the beachfront we have the Breeze restaurant and bar. So this is Meliá Hotel's own bar, and it always has a themed night every night, from barbecue nights to Thai dancing nights, fire shows. So take a look at the itinerary and enjoy a nice breezy evening. The level access also gives you this priority private check-in area, as well as a fantastic sun deck to enjoy your sundowners on. And look at the view from here.
Off we go on another adventure, so we say goodbye to the sea and hello bright lights of the city. Woohoo!